Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today we are out here in our new shop. We went ahead and purchased a couple weeks ago, but finally got it all finished up and now we own it. So this is our new shop here. Got a loft up there. It's not the cleanest or nicest right now, but we are going to clean it up, get everything organized. These fiberglass doors, sun comes through, which gives us some light and some heat and stuff. This is what it looks like in here. Pretty nice. It's about time we got a shop because our garage is getting full, so we can put our 66 Mustang, try to get our 71 F-250 out here, park some things for the winter in here. This is meant to be a bathroom, but they never finished it. I mean, there's some work to be done in it. It's not perfect, but hey, it's still something. Look at this. You got a high ceiling up there. Maybe put a lift there. I don't know. This room is all insulated. There's that breaker box. This comes out to the other side. Just figured I'd record and show you guys what we're gonna be working on for the next few months and putting stuff in. This is our new shop. It's about time we got one. I know it's not perfect or finished yet or anything, but we picked it up really cheap, so it was definitely worth it. So you guys, here it is. We just gotta clean it up, get everything organized and whatnot. Yeah guys, pretty nice in here. Overall, like, it's still something to work on things in and put stuff in. It's pretty nice. It's nothing too crazy right now, but still it's ours. And yeah guys, so we got a lot of room to put stuff and work on stuff, and it's probably where I'll keep my four-wheeler, and I'll probably keep right there just to work on it, because I need to rebuild the front end of my four-wheeler after I hit a deer on it, or in it, or yeah, on it. Yeah guys, just one quick little look around of it. It's pretty cool in here. I like it. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys do think of it. We're gonna try to put a bathroom in there, finish it up like it was originally gonna be. There's not a chimney, but there's a hole where you can put chimney pipe out of. This is where the AC unit was. Really high ceilings up there. We got a loft in that room over there. You guys can see. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I'm really hyped that we got a shop finally. Just figured we'd run over here and take a look at it, because I've yet to see it. It's my first time looking at it. We have the fiberglass doors where the light comes through. Big fan of that. We got some chairs that we can put on our hunting blinds, because we right now only have foldable chairs in one of them. Okay guys, here it is. So that's it for the shop in today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep you guys updated for anything else we work on in this shop or do to the shop itself. Hopefully we can get a bathroom in here soon, get everything finished up. But yeah guys, just figured to make a video showing you guys the new shop. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. And with that one, thanks for watching. And with that, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one. Actually guys, there's more. Here's a house we got with it. So we bought this house and this shop for cheap. The house isn't finished, but there it is. Got a full basement. It's not finished though yet. And the shop, you guys just saw inside the shop. It's nice and all. Like, it still needs work done to it though. So none of this is perfect. But now we're gonna enter the basement here.
It's definitely a fixer-upper.
Yeah, it is a fixer-up.
Missing a step right here. That's a bedroom and a walk-in closet. That is a bedroom and walk-in closet. This is the big master bath.
Yeah, I wasn't lying when I said this house isn't finished, guys. It definitely could be a building trades project, Dad, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm gonna talk to the guys.
Because then next year I could help.
Kitchen.
Because I'll be
Big kitchen, actually.
Yeah.
It's over 1,900 square foot. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is the living room. It's got another bath right here. Good size bath, and then there's another living room over here.
Oh, really? Yeah, I mean, this house finished would definitely be crazy cool. So what would this be, a bathroom?
Yeah, that's the other bathroom. And I think I would probably just take this wall out right here.
What would this room be? A living room?
To the kitchen.
Living room?
Yeah, but so is that. There's 2 living rooms.
Oh, okay.
And this will come out. It'll just be open all the way through. But you can tell birds got in there.
Water's dripping on me. Oh, look, see? It's like right here. So, oh no, I just felt water drip on my arm.
I see it up there. It's like sweating.
Yeah, it is.
This will all come out. It's got potential for sure.
I mean, yeah, guys, this house is not small. It definitely has potential. Depending on how you look at it. Right, here's a video. Sydney. Well, Sydney's room. There's the closet.
But make no mistake, it needs a lot of work. This is all tile.
Oh, wow.
All tile.
Wow.
All ready enough to be the bathrooms and kitchen, and then this is a big kitchen.
Yeah, it is.
And look at all the sheetrock. Brand new sheetrock for ceiling and walls.
I mean, yeah, it's really not bad
So
in
that
here. You
wall
just
will come
need...
out. It'll just go right into the other living room. It's
Oh, really?
Load bearing wall. We don't need it. So
Oh, okay. I see.
I'm just gonna open the whole thing up.
Yeah, hopefully we can get this as a building trades project because I want to be able to help remodel this and build it, or just build it, you know. All that.
That's not even that bad there, but
So yeah, guys, there's the house we just got with the shop. It's not done yet, but it's definitely work in progress. It was worth it to get a house and a shop for really not that much. It's way cheaper
price of a
than
used truck.
price of a used truck.
New
So that'd be this would be a bedroom here, because that's a closet.
Well, I would just take those walls right there out and make that one. The other little room is too small, so just.
What would this be right here? Just
This is a big master bath. That's a walk-in shower,
oh, okay.
tub.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is.
This is a
So-
bathroom.
And
Okay.
that's the master bedroom with a walk-in closet.
Oh my. All right. I see.
And like say, so you see that other little room over there?
Mm-hmm.
I just take that wall out and make that one big room. It's not load bearing, so
Right.
just take that wall out.
Okay.
So it's got a big kitchen, big bathroom, big rooms. It's 1,900. It's over 1,900 square feet. It's got a lot of wiring all done.
Mhm.
It's pretty rough, but
And if you need help with electrical, I can
Yeah.
help you.
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we just do one room at a time, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Cleanup is the first part, and then
Yeah, that is the first part. But I'm more focused on the shop rather than the house
Yeah.
here just yet.
sealing up and yeah, me too. But I'm not gonna let it sit because we already have
Right.
sheetrock, tile. We got a lot of stuff to get. Oh,
Mhm.
did you see this over here? The tub and the pipe.
Yeah, I saw the tub.
Look at all this piping and tub. This tub's pretty sweet. Top of tub. Look at all this enough piping to do the whole house. And
Really? Oh, okay. Is that...
then the basement is dry. They
Oh, okay. That's PEX pipe. Yeah,
yeah, they just put
that's
brand
better
new
than
sumps in it,
PVC.
and they put a brand new sewer and water line from the road. Brand new metal roof that's sweating.
Yeah.
But that's, I know why. I mean, it's the rapid temperature. But
Yeah. It's just.
not quite up there. I asked him. What are you talking about? I asked him about this before I bought it because they don't have sheeting.
Mm.
There's supposed to be plywood all over this before you put roofing on, but
Mhm.
he said he's not worried about it.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, I don't know. What do you think? For the
I like
price of
it.
this truck, and now look at and that over there is another whole 2 corner lots. That came with it. We have half a block.
Oh,
a
really?
shop and this for the price of a used truck, you know.
Yeah, really not bad.
So this definitely has potential.
Yeah, it
I
does.
I see potential.
Me too. Alright, guys, that's it for the house and the shop. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new and you hadn't already. And with that one, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.